Welcome back to Tech Explorer, your ultimate hub for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we are diving into the exciting new Realme P3 Pro, a mid-range smartphone designed to offer premium features without breaking the bank. With its 6.77-inch OLED display, Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, and a versatile 50MP triple camera setup, the P3 Pro delivers impressive performance in a sleek package. Let's explore everything this device has to offer. The Realme P3 Pro boasts a stunning 6.77-inch OLED display that's perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. 120Hz refresh rate. Enjoy ultra-smooth scrolling and lag-free gaming. FHD Plus resolution. With sharp and vibrant visuals, the display is ideal for watching high-definition content. Thin bezels. The nearly bezel-less design offers an immersive viewing experience. Peak brightness of 1200 nits ensures excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or playing games, the P3 Pro's display elevates your experience. Under the hood, the Realme P3 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, delivering reliable performance for all your tasks. 4nm architecture offers a perfect balance of power efficiency and performance. Adreno 644 GPU ensures smooth graphics rendering, making it ideal for gaming. 8GB per 12GB RAM options multitask seamlessly without any lag. 128GB per 256GB storage, ample space for apps, games, and media. The P3 Pro is designed to handle everything from casual browsing to demanding applications with ease. The Realme P3 Pro features a triple rear camera system that caters to all your photography needs. 50MP main sensor, capture sharp, vibrant, and detailed photos in any lighting condition. 8MP ultra-wide lens, ideal for group shots and landscapes, offering a 120 degrees field of view. 2MP macro camera, get up close to your subjects and capture intricate details. On the front, you'll find a 50MP wide-angle selfie camera that takes stunning portraits and group selfies. With advanced AI beauty modes and HDR support, your selfies will always look flawless. Record videos in 4K with enhanced stabilization for professional quality footage. AI scene recognition automatically adjusts settings for the best results based on your environment. The Realme P3 Pro is equipped with a 5500 mAh battery, ensuring all-day power for even heavy users. 45W fast charging. Charge from 0% to 50% in just 30 minutes. With its efficient chipset and large battery, the P3 Pro is perfect for users who are always on the go. The P3 Pro runs Realme UI 5.0, based on Android 14, offering a smooth and customizable user experience, personalized themes and widgets. Tailor the interface to match your style. Focus mode and game mode. Optimize your phone's performance for productivity or gaming. Privacy features. Enhanced app permissions and system-level encryption ensure your data remains secure. Realme UI 5.0 is intuitive, fast, and packed with features to enhance your smartphone experience. The Realme P3 Pro combines aesthetics with functionality, slim profile and lightweight. At just 8.1 mm thick and weighing 190 g, it's easy to hold and carry. Premium build. The polycarbonate back with the matte finish feels sturdy and resistant to smudges. The P3 Pro is designed to look as good as it performs. Realme has packed the P3 Pro with the latest connectivity features, 5G ready for lightning fast downloads and low latency browsing. Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. Bluetooth 5.3 perfect for pairing with wireless accessories like earbuds. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and IP53 splash resistance. The Realme P3 Pro is expected to be priced competitively at around $399 for the base model, making it one of the best value for money devices in its segment. Pre-orders are expected to open soon, with availability in key markets by the end of the month. The Realme P3 Pro offers a compelling mix of performance, design, and features, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on quality. If you're looking for a smartphone with a stunning display, a versatile camera setup, and reliable performance, the Realme P3 Pro should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for tuning into Techsplorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and the latest tech news. What do you think of the Realme P3 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.